Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 25th August. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,800 call strike, followed by 16,700 call strike. So for this monthly expiry series, 16,700 and 16,800 are going to act as a strong resistance. And if we see the put side, you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is currently at 16,500 put strike, followed by 16,400 put strike, and 16,500 and 16,400 are likely to act as a strong support for the index in this monthly expiry contract. And if we see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday, you will see that today we saw open interest reduction in the money calls strike, like 16,400 strike, 16,450 strike, 16,500 strike, 16,550 strike, and 16,600 strike. So call option buyers, they book their profits, and call option writers, they book their losses. And if we see the puts, today highest amount of open interest addition in puts happened at 16,650 strike, followed by 16,500 put strike. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers, as we are trading above the monthly open of 15,874.9. And if we see the weekly time frame has now come under control of buyers above 16,592 level. And on the daily time frame, above today's open, which was 16,561, so we had a situation of full time frame continuity above 16,592 level on the index, when on all the time frames, the monthly, the weekly, as well as the daily time frame, buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And in terms of price structure, we have been making higher highs and higher lows on the index. So we are in an uptrend, and based on the price structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 16,624 level, we can trade toward 16,647 levels, 16,688 levels, and potentially 16,740 levels. And below 16,548, we can trade towards 16,495 levels, 16,454 levels, and potentially 16,402 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 16,624 to 16,548. And based on the overall open interest data, 16,500 and 16,400 highest amount of open interest in puts is there. So 16,500 and 16,400 are likely to act as strong support for the index. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So our first stock is Biocon. It is in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for a selling opportunity below 331.9 level, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 352 levels. Although buying, if it were to break today's high range tomorrow, then position size for aggressive traders should be relatively smaller size, as it would be a counter trend trade. And our next stock is Bandhan Bank. It's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 262.65 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 267.8 levels. And aggressive traders should keep their position size low if they were to trade Bandhan Bank to the long side, if it were to break today's high, as it would be a counter trend trade. Our third stock is Fortis. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 286.8 level in Fortis. And our final stock for tomorrow based on inside candlestick pattern is Jindal Steel. So here you will see that it's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and it formed an inside candlestick today. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 367.4 level, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 377.5 level, although position size should be kept relatively small if it were to break today's high tomorrow. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,624 levels we can trade towards 16,740 levels, and below 16,548 levels we can potentially trade towards 16,402 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a 400-point range on the index, 16,800 to the upside and 16,400 to the downside based on the overall open interest data, and the max pain data for 26th August monthly expiry contract is at 16,500. So if market was to expire on 26th August around 16,500 level, in that scenario call and put option writers of 16,500 strike, they would be making profits. And our stock watch list comprises of Jindal Steel, Bandhan Bank, Fortis and Biocon. All these stocks, they have formed an inside candlestick pattern, and this pattern is formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and we look to establish a position if either side of high-low range breaks. And I also like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list in a blog post around 9:45 or 10 p.m. So do stay tuned for that as well. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button and share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.